Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I think we are still in this X of this WXY. We probably are going to end up going down beyond this trend line right here because I think this is very likely one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, and probably five waves down. Most likely better seen on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly is where you can see that this is an impulsive five-wave trend, and then we have one, two, three waves down. We have one, two, three waves up. Likely we are in a one, two, three, four, five-way pattern to the downside, which most likely will take out this high before we actually do end up going up again, probably making another equal move to this. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's pretty clear that we are in a wave 3 right now. I mean, I guess this could be an ABC of a wave Y, but more likely that it is a wave 3. So this is a 1, this is a 2, and we are likely in that wave 3. If this is a wave 3, then we have a lot of downside potential left because we're not even to the 61% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected at the top of wave 2. Most wave 3s go at least to the 161, and we're only to the 61, so a lot of downside potential left. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, so my structure level on the 4 hour time frame is right here. If price goes up and breaks that structure, then I definitely will turn back into a buyer. But until that happens, I am definitely only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on shorter time frames. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push down right here. Like I said, I'm only looking for shorts right now, so I'd be looking to go short there. I'd be looking to go short here. And if it does go back up and make another lower high and make another Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move, then I would definitely continue to go short every single chance I got, as long as it does not go up and break this swing high right here, this structure level, then the trend is down on the higher time frames. And if you want to trade with the trend, then you definitely want to be looking for shorts at the end of every single pullback you see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.